Hi guys, so you might be finding it difficult to connect to your internet or for any of the apps on your Google TV to start playing. You know, when you try connecting, it's going to tell you something like this, like can't reach internet, go to your network setup. So we are going to try to fix that right now. In this video, I'm going to be showing you two methods on how to fix that, and after that it's going to start working perfectly. So now we are just going to go to the home. Okay, so when we get to the home, we'll go to the settings. You click on your settings, then when this comes out, you click on your settings bar. Then now you go to your network and internet. If your Wi-Fi is not on, you just turn it on. Mine was already on, so I turned it off and turned it on. So it said if I want to continue, and I'm like okay, so I clicked on okay and I was connected to my Wi-Fi. And if after doing this it did not work, then we head up to the second method. Then still on this your settings, you go to system, then you go down to date and time. So you can decide to set it on automatic date and time. That is, your service provider, whichever service you're using, would automatically set it, or you can decide to set it manually. So I've done that now. I just used the use network provider's time, so I set it on network provider. So whatever network provider I'm using, it is going to set it automatically, and that is just all you need to do, and it is done. So after doing this, you can just go back to your Wi-Fi and connect again. And if it is LAN you're using, that's Ethernet, you can just connect the cable or the wire to your router and it will start working perfectly. So now let's go back to our app, that's our home, and try logging into our YouTube and see if that works. Here you have it, it has worked. Okay, so if you don't you just sign in, and if you want to know how to sign in or log into your Google TV, I also have a video on that, and I'll be linking it up here, so you can just click on that and watch. And if you found this video very helpful, please click on the subscribe button so you can be able to see other of my videos. Thank you for stopping by. Bye.